Join me as I take on the challenge of turning a small amount of cash into a successful investment portfolio, all while sharing my beginner's journey with you. Investing has become a crucial aspect of achieving financial growth and stability in today's economy. It's a way to make your money work for you, rather than the other way around. With so many people talking about investing, it's easy to feel left behind if you're not already on board. But here's the thing, it's never too late to start. Many beginners are held back by fear and a lack of knowledge. They might think that investing is only for the wealthy or that it requires a deep understanding of the stock market. Others might be worried about losing their money, which is a valid concern, but one that can be managed with the right approach. This fear often leads to inaction, and that's where the real problem lies. By not taking action, you're essentially choosing to maintain the status quo, which might not be serving your financial goals. Another common misconception is that you need a lot of money to start investing. This simply isn't true. You can start small and gradually build your portfolio over time. What's more, some investment platforms allow you to buy fractional shares of stocks, making it even more accessible. The key is to get started, no matter how small the amount may seem. The world of investing can seem complex, with its own jargon and seemingly unpredictable market fluctuations. But at its core, investing is about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's not about being an expert, it's about taking control of your financial future. When it comes to investing, there are a few fundamental principles that everyone should understand. Diversification, for instance, is a key strategy that involves spreading your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk. This could mean investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, and other types of assets. By diversifying, you're essentially protecting yourself from significant losses in any one area. Risk management is another crucial aspect of investing. It's about understanding how much risk you're willing to take and making sure your investments reflect that. For example, if you're close to retirement, you might want to shift towards more conservative investments to protect your nest egg. On the other hand, if you're younger, you might be able to take on more risk in pursuit of higher returns. The importance of starting early cannot be overstated. The power of compound interest is a beautiful thing, and it's something that can work in your favor if you start investing early. Even small, regular investments can add up over time, thanks to the magic of compounding. There's a story that I want to share with you, about a friend who was in a tough financial spot just a few years ago. She was working multiple jobs just to make ends meet and had almost no savings to her name. But she decided to take control of her financial future by learning about investing. She started small, investing a few $100s a month into a diversified portfolio. Fast forward a few years, and she's now financially stable, with a growing investment portfolio that she's proud of. Her journey wasn't without its challenges, of course. There were months when the market dipped, and she worried about her investments. But she stayed the course, reminding herself of her long-term goals. And that's exactly what I want to encourage you to do. Stay focused on your goals and don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. The transformation in her financial situation was nothing short of remarkable. It just goes to show that with the right mindset and a bit of knowledge, anyone can turn their financial situation around. Her story serves as a powerful reminder that investing is for everyone, regardless of where you're starting from. It's not just for the wealthy or the financially savvy, it's for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. To sum it up, the key strategies we've discussed are diversification, risk management, and the importance of starting early. By following these principles and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can set yourself up for success in the world of investing. If you're just starting out, don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. With patience, persistence, and the right knowledge, you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your investing experiences in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about advanced investment strategies, be sure to check out my next video.